Hey Novi, it's Brad. I'm back and ready to start working on our 2020 road construction program.
Brad. Brad to the bone. Brad to the bone.
I hope all of you have been staying home and staying safe. As for the roads, we have identified a variety of street segments throughout the city to improve as part of our concrete panel repair, neighborhood road, and major road programs. I would invite everyone to head over to cityofnovi.org/betterroadsahead to see all the projects we have planned. I have truly enjoyed interacting with all the residents over the last couple years and hope to make this road construction season as seamless as possible. Thanks for all the waves, smiles, and compliments. Here's to better roads ahead.